Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngikhuluma ngebhola, but-ke namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma outside football, yabo? So ngifuna ukukhuluma ngo-Ivan Khoza and uKaizer Motaung, yabo? Labantu bowu-2 babhilda i-South African football. But manje uPatrice Motsepe neMamelodi Sundowns bathathe sonke i-spotlight and baba yi-face of i-South African football ku-global game. Singakhohlwa ukuthi baqualify for i-Club World Cup, yabo? But-ke asiqale la, i-South African football azange ibhildwe nje overnight, yabo? Kuthatha isikhathi bafowethu, and kuthathe abantu abaningi basacrifice and babona i-vision ne-long term commitment, yabo? But amagama awu-2 astanda tall, yabo, ku-foundation ye-South African football. U-Ivan Khoza obviously noKaizer Motaung, yabo? So balibhildile ngempela bafowethu, bayi-heartbeat ye-South African football. Baletha ama-image rights ngasikhathi kuqala i-PSL, I think it was 96 if not 95 lapho njena. But-ke in recent years iMamelodi Sundowns noPatrice Motsepe, they've taken over and became ama-continental giants because they are forever present laphana ku-CAF Champions League, sebaqualify for ama-Club World Cup awu-2 because kunoPatrice Motsepe obasizayo umuntu nje powerful owenze izinto zenzeka laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, yabo? Mamelodi Sundowns nje akusase i-team just nje yasePitori or yaseMamelodi, but-ke so kuyi-global face, yabona? Emhlabeni mabacabanga ibhola lase-South Africa, they would think of iMamelodi Sundowns because of their recent success or i-global image, yabo? So i-foundation bafowethu ukuthi libuyaphi kahle kahle lebhola. So qala ngolokhunjana ngoKaizer Motaung. Lena umuntu bafowethu, umuntu noma indoda beyivela lapha e-United States of America ngama-1970s, wabona igap ku-local football, yabo? Wadecide ukuthi ithi ngisivale lesikhala lesengisibonayo, waqala i-Kaizer Chiefs, yabo? And then i-Kaizer Chiefs yaba i-brand, it became bigger than football, yaba i-lifestyle for abantu abaningi, yabo? Yaba i-region, yabo, ukuthi abantu bafuna ukuphila i-religion ngempela, yabo? Because bayithanda from emakhaya bafowethu to ama-village to ama-urban cities. uMtaung-ke wanika i-Kaizer Chiefs igama, ama-Gama Boys, i-identity and hope to South African football community or even ama-fans. Then u-Ivan Khoza-ke bafowethu yena watransforma i-Orlando Pirates to a professional structure, yaba competitive. I-sharp business acumen yakhe ne-admin brilliance iyasiza i-PSL ukuthi iforme from let's say semi-professional and then ibe commercial viable for i-league, yabo? That is why kwaqala i-PSL, naye bekanesandla esikhulu ukuthi i-PSL iqale, yabo? Waba highly influenced laphana, influence yakhe kuma-boardrooms bafowethu inkulu kakhulu, yabo? So lamajita lawa yi-2 bobawu-2 ba-make sure ukuthi i-South African football ifika kule level le esikuyo namhlanje, yabo? From i-organization ukuthi it's organized, the marketing, ukuthi bayikwazi ukuyi-globalize, ukuthi bakwazi ukusela ama-image we-South African football abroad or ngithi all over the world, yabo? Ngaphandle kwabo ayikho bafowethu i-Betway Premiership, ngaphandle kwabo azikho iy'ponza, ngaphandle kwabo awekho lama-media image rights siwathola, ngaphandle kwabo ayikho i-FIFA Club World Cup or noma ngithi 2010 FIFA Club World Cup bafowethu, because they played a big role. But-ke kweza uPatrice Motsepe bafowethu, mining billionaire, naye beka-ambitious, anama-ambition amakhulu, wathenga iMamelodi Sundowns and wafollowa waba ne-strategy se-long term, i-strategy ukuthi ufuna ukudominate nanokuthi ufuna ukuyenzelani iMamelodi Sundowns. Obviously-ke iMamelodi Sundowns ikhuphula i-profile yakhe, yingakho a-invest i-energy yakhe enkulu ukuthi afocuse ku-team, yabo? Beyangazelanga ebholeni lase-South Africa or ku-PSL ukuthi ufuna just ukuba khona, befuna ukudominate, akhonke everything, yabo? Wafaka imali eserious-ke kuMamelodi Sundowns, but most importantly wa-investa kuma-systems from ama-scout, workers, coaches, because sambona laphana alanda abo-coach abake bawina nama-Ballon d'Or, alanda abo-coach abake badlalela abo-Barcelona, alanda abo-coach vele aba-serious ngempela bafowethu, yabo? Ukuthi in a long run bakwazi ukudominate, yabo? Besibona iMamelodi Sundowns beyiwina, but i-dominance yabo ayiqalanga kusho ukuthi iqale around ulo Pitso Mosimane i-dominance lesiyibona ukuthi bawina ama-league ayi-8 ayikazi yenzeka kuwina ama-league ayi-8 kulandelana bafowethu kukuphi la yenzakala khona lento le mina ngiyayiqala yabo. I think i-Juventus nayo yawina 7 leagues in a row, I'm not sure lapha ne-Italy, but manje i-dominance yabo seyiphelile yabo, sokune-competition e-tight again yabo. But-ke i-biggest breakthrough for iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi attract best local talent bafowethu na best international talent laba banganakwanga kakhulu. Singenza i-example nje ngo-Lucas Ribeiro ukuthi one of the best talent esike saba nawo e-South Africa, bathola ukuthi akasiyi-superstar kwela kube eBrazil nase-Europe, bekadlala kuma-division amancane, but-ke iMamelodi Sundowns ikwazile ukuphampa imali kuye ukuthi imlethe yabo. 2016-ke ngoPitso Mosimane bawina i-CAF Champions League, lokho kwa-change everything in terms of like i-global image yabo. If they were to go to Europe but bafuna iplayer lesedlala ku-second division bazozipresenta baqala uzipresenta ezama-African Champions, i-team ekwaziyo ngempela too ambitious, ekwaziyo ukuphusha for izinto yabo. iMamelodi Sundowns-ke yavele yaba i-brand, i-standard sakhona sakhuphuka emehlweni abantu around the world, and they became the face of South African football yabo. I-shift in power and everything, so sayibona like i-shift in power like kuma-dynamics ebhola. I-Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates bayathandwa kakhulu on the ground by millions, but on the pitch they've struggled to match iMamelodi Sundowns. Yes, they can beat Orlando Pirates inokuyishaya iMamelodi Sundowns, sonke siyakubona lokho bafowethu, but ishawa ukuthi yona ayikwazi mhlampe ukucompete ku-long term namanye ama-team. Inokushaya iMamelodi Sundowns but seyihlulwa iMarumo Gallants. Even nakule season esibuya kuyo beyibhayiziswa yilo ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ishayile iPirates second round of i-league, i-Orlando Pirates yayishaya iMamelodi Sundowns, so bayashayana vice versa, but-ke consistent, that's the difference, because iMamelodi Sundowns idlala yonke igame ukuthi iwine. Sibonile seyiphelile i-league sebayiwinile but still basashaya nabo Chippa United. Asikho isikhathi sokurelaxa for bona ba-professional yabo. Yeah, obviously especially for i-Kaizer Chiefs ama-coach amaningi bawatshentshile for the past 10 years, ama-trophies bastruggle ukuwawina, but finally ngo-coach Nabi wawina i-Nedbank Cup, but-ke i-Nedbank Cup yakhe iza ney'nkulumo ey'ningi because bathi abaningi bathi akafithi to i-style se-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi he can't move i-Kaizer Chiefs forward, but-ke manje une-second chance futhi second season yakhe ukuthi enze kangcono yabo. i-Orlando Pirates-ke bona for the past 5 years or so baziwa nje ngokuthi bawina ama-cup games, ama-cup adominate ngempela kuma-cups yabo in recent season. iMamelodi Sundowns kuyadominate in terms of like i-league, iwina again and again njengoba bengishilo bafethu, iwine ka-8 kulandelana. Baya deep every year for i-CAF Champions League, bayithatha personal, bafuna ukuyiwina, but-ke they come short yabo. Sibonile-ke nakule season ephelile bashawe ku-finali, but every year bafowethu baya all out for i-CAF Champions League yabo, but ba-ambitious yabo, because ba-understand ukuthi i-branding is very important for bona, nanokuthi if they were to sell themselves to the world yabo. Ba-attracta lesi ama-players from e-Europe, from North Africa, from South America yabo, because bayi-Mamelodi Sundowns and i-global image yabo iyakhula. So in terms of i-global image, iMamelodi Sundowns seyishiya i-Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. In terms of just pure football ne-respect, iMamelodi Sundowns seyihleli esicongweni yabo. Manje globally i-visible, ama-stars international babheke, mabacabanga ama-team ase-Africa, iMamelodi Sundowns seyikhona nayo bakhuluma ngayo. Mabacabanga abo-Zamalek, mabacabanga abo-Al Ahly, but bayazi ukuthi khona i-team eyi-one iyahlupha nyana, Mamelodi Sundowns yabo, because by-broadcaster all over the continent ama-games we-Champions League, and Mamelodi Sundowns seyiphenduke lento le bekumele i-Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates babe yiyo ku-modern football, ukuthi babe i-modern football empire yabo, iMamelodi Sundowns. You understand bafethu? Yeah, but umuntu olida yonke lento leyo uPatrice Motsepe, futhi manje sekayi-CAF president bafethu, one of the most powerful leaders on the planet manje. Influence yakhe-ke manje is far beyond iTorkopo iMamelodi Sundowns. Uhlala nabo FIFA presidents ekaziwa umhlaba wonke, but it all started ngeMamelodi Sundowns. Ukuthi azithole kule situla kuso laphana bafethu e-Africa manje, ukuthi waziwa yiFIFA, waziwa yini i-dominance yeMamelodi Sundowns, nanokuthi-ke izi-professional kangakanani izinto zeMamelodi Sundowns yabo. Yeah, nayo-ke umbuzo I think obalulekile singawubuza ukuthi uMtsipe uthathe i-spotlight from uKhoza noMtaunge, or u-evolve ngesikhathi yabo. Abantu bangasinga-argue vele sisho ukuthi okay uMtaung noKhoza babuilde i-foundation but uMtsipe ubuilde something that is untouchable. Uhleli lesicongweni manje yabo. Ucreate i-stage for ama-players, ucreate i-monster in terms of i-team iMamelodi Sundowns. Singakhohlwa ukuthi yes he's backed by imali yakhe eningi vele but ucreate something formidable yabo for ibhola lase-Africa. U-improve izinto eziningi kabi even naku-CAF, u-improve imali, u-improve like izinto eziningi. Une-team e-professional yamantombazane. iMamelodi Sundowns yiyo kuphela like i-team edominator ebholeni lase-South Africa yamantombazane. Uya ku-CAF, ama-CAF Champions League champions aboCherry bakhona bafowethu. Bake bayiwina i-CAF yabo. So ba-highly competitive laboCherry laba abadlalela iMamelodi Sundowns. uMtaung usiphe I think i-charisma ne-cultural pride bafowethu ebholeni lase-South Africa. And then uKhoza usinika I think i-leadership yabo ne-bravado persona ngoba abantu bayamhlonipha bayamsaba nokuthi u-organized yabo. Then uMtsipe usigaye infrastructure, u-ambitious kakhulu and then u-relevant emhlabeni wonke. Mamelodi Sundowns-ke le image yakhe imthathe iMamelodi Sundowns ithathe i-image yaPatrice Motsepe yayibeka le phezulu bafowethu. But-ke bonke ba-contribute izinto ezi-different but manje akekho umuntu ongakuphikisa ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns they are the kings of South African football. Ngeke ngathi i-dominance yaMamelodi Sundowns limited, yes, because bawina i-league kuphela. Ama-cup amanye abawawini isikhathi esiningi baziwinela nje league. But guess what, i-league ili-cup eli-important ebholeni lase-South Africa. Noma ungaya kuphi emhlabeni you have to win the league because udlala nayo yonke i-team yakuleyo country le edlala ku-first division, you understand. If you get the league, ama-cup awu-2 are-important e-South Africa. The most important cup awu-2 kuphela, i-league ne-Nedbank Cup because i-Nedbank Cup kungena wonke futhi umuntu yabo. Lawa amanye-ke ama-cup ako-number 3 and number 4. Asiyivale bafowethu. I-South African football yonke into eyiyo namhlanje kungenxa kaMtaung noKhoza yabo. Basebenze kanzima ukuthi umuntu ofana noPatrice Motsepe namhlanje abe ne-platform le anayo yabo. Njengoba ku-2025 bafowethu iMamelodi Sundowns I think ikhuphula ibhola lase-South Africa ne-standards sakhona, i-national pride yabo. They are at their peak ukuthi njalo makubhekwe eSouth Africa kubhekwe iMamelodi Sundowns before anyone else yabo. But mawuzobheka ngothando nangenhliziyo uzobheka i-team oyifavorayo but iMamelodi Sundowns what they have done bafowethu they've really elevated everything yabo. But umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ne-Orlando Pirates bangakwazi na ukufika ku-level yeMamelodi Sundowns ba-reclaim i-place yabo at the top, ngoba Patrice Motsepe era yakhe is here to stay. Or sobona beyond yena ukuthi bazokwazi na because uyu umuntu passionate about this thing, uyu umuntu okwazi ukuyirana kahle this thing, uyu umuntu oyithandayo lento le yebhola. Sobona ukuthi maybe after era yakhe bazokwazi laba bazayo ukuqhubeka ezicathulweni zakhe na yabo. So ibamba laba fethu. Thanda ukuthi ngiyabonga kuwo wonke umuntu olalele waze wafika ekugcineni. This is Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu ukusubscribe. Dankoro.